What's up YouTube, this is your boy Ship is back with another video of Barber Master. Guys, in this video you will find the most beautiful, precise shape of line haircut transformation, and also you will also find the taper fade, the mid fade, skin fade, afro, and lots of other famous haircut on the black guy. So don't skip this video, watch this video till and enjoy. As you can see, this guy got perfect shape of line with his mid fade, and this haircut inspired the 360 Jay-Z. As you guys know that the 360 Jay-Z got amazing skill, and you can never compete that barber. We got another perfect low taper, and that was unimaginable haircut. Yes sir, he got a huge afro and got some high taper. The perfect low mid fade. I love that. I love that.
My client has a light spot in the middle of his hairline, and he has a lot of overgrowth from both of his corners. So the first thing I do, I take my one guard with the grain, knocking the bulk off. Then I get started on my lineup prep. I make my first guideline in the middle of the hairline at the lowest point, and I kind of toggle back and forth from left to right. Then I go all the way to the right, lining up the vertical bars in the C-cut. And as I finish that side, I make sure I repeat the same steps from the previous side. And last and final step, I always make sure I finish off with that razor. Let me know what y'all think about this one in the comments. Stop playing around and drop a like. If you're in the Seattle area, link is definitely in the bio.
If you had a similar problem, I will also mention this barber in my description box, and if you got a similar problem and you are looking for some best barber, don't forget to visit that barber. If you are luckily near this barber, you have to visit that barber. He will probably solve your problem. We got another most beautiful transformation by the 360 Jay-Z, and this haircut gonna be most probably the taper fade. And yeah, that was low taper with the perfect shape of line. Oh my gosh, look at his waves. That was the most beautiful wave ever I have seen on internet. That was the classy mid fade with perfect.
My guy has a light spot in his right corner. So the first thing I make sure I do, I get started on my lineup prep, then I make my first guideline in the middle, then I work my way to his left side. Making my way all the way to that left corner, then I line up his vertical bars and his C-cut. Now I'm on his right side, which is his lighter side. Even though the lineup is lighter on this side, I definitely don't want to push it back. But I still want to follow the same exact principles I did on the other side. Then lastly, I apply shaving gel to the hairline, then I finish off with that razor work. What more can I say, man? If you're in the Seattle area, link is definitely in that bio, man.
This is gonna be the perfect drop fade with shape of line. Oh my gosh, look at just his forehead. Look at his forehead. Oh my gosh, that guy got new life. And all of these haircuts are so satisfying to watch, and is we got another transformation right here, and as you can see, this guy just came with overgrowth hairline and got some rough hair on their forehead, but that barber just solved his problem. And here we go. This is gonna be a step-by-step taper page with shape of line.
Applying shaving gel to the top of the beard, then I spray a little bit of water. Is the water necessary? No. But who gonna check me about it? Barber, be careful with that razor, bro. The skin is real delicate, you know? You see me stretching the hell out of the skin, taking the proper precautions. I apply that hot towel, this ain't nothing but a little bit of wine and dine, you know? You gotta make them feel special. You'll find somebody to play with, cause I'm not the fucking one. If you're in the Seattle area, link is definitely in the bio.
Another sharpest hairline transformed by the 360 JZ. That was creamy. Oh my gosh, look at this one. This guy got most beautiful Afro hairstyle, and that was looking so bright.
Let's do a taper. I make my first guideline with my trimmers, next guideline with my clipper open. Then I use my 1 guard open and closed, and my 0 guard open and closed, and polish the blend with some no guard freehand work. If you're in the Toledo area looking for a barber, make sure to hit the book now tab in my bio.
Yeah, that was sharp. The low taper with the short afro, and it looks trendy, and we are moving to another taper fade haircut transformation. No matter what type of hair you have, the taper fade is gonna just make your look.
My granddad once told me no man looks good with hair coming out his ears. So if you need a detail-oriented barber in the Northwest Ohio area, make sure you smash the book now link in my bio.
Oh my gosh, look at this guy. He got the perfect skin fade I have ever seen on the internet.
Bro, I need you to understand exactly how important this back lineup is. This shit can make or break your haircuts. Think about it like this, 9 times out of 10, time you give or receive a haircut, the first thing people see is the back of your big head. So if that's the first thing they see, it needs to be clean. Come on, bro, enough of the chit chat. If you're in the Seattle area, link is definitely in the bio.
It looks so unnatural.
Brody got light spots in both his left and right side of his hairline. So I start off in the middle, then I work my way to the highest side first. And I'm making sure I'm not pushing the lineup back too far, because as soon as you line up the lighter hairs, it's gonna make the whole hairline pop. After I line up the front of his hairline, I line up his C-cups and his vertical bars. And that's just gonna tie everything together, and I never ever forget to do the razor line at the end. Hey man, at this point I just need you to do one thing. Drop a like. If you're in the Seattle area, link is definitely in the bio.
That was genius, Barber.
My guy has light spots in both his left and right corner. So I comb the hair down, then I make my first guideline in the middle. Establishing my base, then I work my way to his left corner. The hair in my guy's vertical bars grows a little bit awkward, so I drag the clipper in an upward motion when I'm lining up that area. Now I'm gonna repeat the same exact steps that I did on the previous side, working my way from the middle all the way to his corner. Hey man, I'm glad that you made it this far in the video, but I'm gonna need you to drop a like, man. If you're in the Seattle area, link is definitely in the bio.
Bam! That was a huge transformation. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crazy circuit. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the post notification to get updated for a video upload.